Good evening, everyone. My name is Henry Manong from 11 San Darwin from the House of Slytherin. Time check is 10:56 p.m. Today we are about to have a review of a film entitled Unfriended Dark Web. So what is Unfriended Dark Web? It is a 2018 horror film directed by Stephen Sasko. It follows a young man named Matthias, played by Colin Woodall, who finds a mysterious laptop and starts using it to communicate with his friends through a video call. However, he soon discovers that the laptop previous owner was involved in the dangerous activities on the dark web. As Matthias and his friends dig anything to keep their deeper, they become targets of a secret group of hackers who are willing to do anything to keep their criminal operations hidden. First is hacking and cybersecurity. In the film, it showcases how advanced hacking techniques from remotely controlling devices to blackmailing their victims. Second, cloud storage and video streaming. The antagonists manipulate real-time video feeds showing how code-based technologies can be exploited. Number 3 and final is the dark web and anonymous browsing. The story revolves around the networks like Tor that can be used for both privacy protection and criminal operation. Identity theft. The film demonstrates how stolen identities and untraceable online information is leaked and how they use it to contribute to their cyber criminal activities. Next is blackmailing. We can see in the movie that their personal information is leaked and the hackers use it to manipulate their victims. And third, deepfake. The antagonists use AI-powered deepfake technology to create fake videos so they can frame their victims, and highlights the growing risk of misinformation and AI-generated content being used maliciously. In the film teaches us that we should think twice before clicking or downloading file on the internet, because we can see in the film that the characters encounter hidden files and disturbing content stored in the laptop's cloud. Next is protect our personal information online. The hackers in the film easily track the characters through their digital footprints. So this emphasizes that the importance of securing social media accounts, using strong password, and avoiding oversharing personal details online. Next is that the internet is a powerful but dangerous tool because it connects people and provides valuable resources. It also harbors cyber criminals who can exploit others for personal gain. To conclude, Unfriended Dark Web is more than just a horror film. It's a wake-up call about the real dangers of the digital world. It teaches us to be more mindful of our online activities, take cybersecurity seriously, and be cautious when dealing with unknown digital content.